So we discussed about the three important things in life, that is health, wealth, and relationship. And if any of these things is missing, you cannot really enjoy life because one is interdependent on the other one. So health, you cannot enjoy health unless you have wealth and relationship. You cannot enjoy wealth unless you have good health and good relationship. You cannot just enjoy relationship when you don't have health and wealth. So we need to put equal emphasis on all these three things. Only when these three things are balanced in our life, we can have a productive life. So what is money? We said money is not the currency or the coins or other thing. We say that money is an energy with certain frequency. As we told that everything in this universe is energy and money is also energy. Money is having a definite frequency. So we call money as social oxygen because like oxygen, if we don't have money in social life, we starve to death. So we call money as social oxygen. Then we said that people differ in their ability to hold money because of their own frequency. There are some people who can actually have a lot of money, and there are some people who have very little amount of money. Money is not equally distributed in society. There are so many people who are struggling and suffering throughout their life for lack of money. 80% of money or wealth is in the hands of just 20% of people, whereas 80%, great majority of 80% of population are struggling and suffering to share this 20%. So how people with money and how people without money are different. They are different only in terms of their vibrational frequency. Some of the people are attracting the money and some of the people are repelling the money. Even you and me now, we are either attracting money or we are actually repelling money. So when you keep repelling money, what happens? You witness the outflow of money continuously in the form of something or the other unnecessary expenditure. Regular monthly expenditure for food and other things is normal. But people who are actually rippling money are the people who can see some extraordinary outflow. Like there could be an accident. Because of that accident, because of that case, you might have to shell out a lot of money. You might not have done it, but your kids must have done it. Or there could be a theft in the house, there could be a robbery, there could be damage to the property because of natural calamities. They could be lost. Like that, there are many ways. Or it could be that there's all of a sudden a health issue. All of a sudden you met a big health issue, and for that you have to pump a lot of money. So that is when you can take a clue that you're actually repelling money. So you have to stop repelling money if you want to stay okay and rich. How do we stop repelling money? And if you're a person who is attracting money, you can see that you're actually getting continuous flow of money. So even when you are actually rippling money, it's not that you will not have income. You'll have an income which is very, very, very less compared to the expenses or the outflow. Means the inflow is very less compared to the outflow when it comes to attraction of money. So your inflow is much, much, much bigger than your outflow. So that is when we can say that, okay, you're attracting money. So today, this moment, we are actually either attracting money or repelling money. So if you are actually repelling money, this is the right moment for
Not
you to
clear.
take corrective action. If you are a person who is actually repelling money, now there is a great opportunity for you to make this kind of correction. You can learn how to stop repulsion of money, and you can start increasing your attraction power so that your life becomes a comfortable thing. See here, the mission is not to make you Bill Gates or Ambani. The mission is to actually make you comfortable in terms of living a very decent life, because making money itself is not the goal. Money is only a byproduct. When you are pursuing your passions, if you are doing something out of passion, money comes automatically. You don't have to run after the money. Money will follow whatever you're doing. So only thing is that you need to have at least 4 times more than what you need because of you need to cover the risk. How many if you want to earn 5,000 crore rupees in your life? Maybe
Yes, sir.
Yes, yes.
you should have a strong reason why you should earn 5,000 crores. You have any reason why you want to earn 5,000 crore rupees?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, what is that reason?
Uh, to, to spend money for me and my relations, friends who need money.
Yes. Yeah. So unless you have a purpose, you will not feel motivated to earn that amount of money. You should have a strong reason why you need money. Otherwise, our consumption ability is very, very limited. See, even if you have crores of rupees, how many dresses we can have, how many times we can eat, our personal consumption level is very, very low. After that, after satisfying your physical needs, your psychological needs or social needs will come. Means then you'll start addressing the needs of your ego, not your physical body. To address the needs of ego, even 5,000 crores is not sufficient. Even 100 crores will not be sufficient. So we have to have a strong purpose. Yes, like how you said, okay, after satisfying my needs, I want to satisfy the needs of my people. Yes, it's a noble thought. You want to satisfy the needs of your relatives, fine. And then you want to go beyond and you want to take up the responsibility of your community and says, yes, I want to do this service to my people. Yes, that's a noble thought. But if you don't have that motive of serving your people, your community people, and if you say, no, just I want to have more buildings, that's a useless thing. Since you have got a purpose, it's very much valid. So that is how it is. Now the challenge is how to attract money. Then we talked that you don't have to have great educational background, great intellectual capabilities. You don't have to come from rich family. You don't have to work very hard to become rich or to attract money. All that you need to have is the right kind of mindset. The mindset, your belief system should allow you to attract money. Your belief system should not repel money from your life. Similarly, your characteristics, your character means the traits, the personal traits we have that makes up our personality. Our characters should also be attracting money. They should not be repelling money. And you should have the ability to manifest your dreams and desires into your reality. That is your psychic power. So you should also use your psychic power, your inner power, in order to manifest the life that you want to live. So you have to be a totally different kind of person from what you are. Till now, you are in a passive mode. I really don't mean to say that all of you are in passive mode. This is a general statement. Maybe some of you might be very, very high in terms of actually doing these things, but generally I'm saying. So far you have been a passive person wherein you're open to what is being given to you. If something is coming, you're feeling happy and taking it. Beyond that, you're not actually going into an active state where you're actually making things happen. Are you making things happen in your life, or are you just taking whatever is coming? Most of us, we are taking what it is coming. That is a passive. But the power we have inside us is so great that we can make happen things the way we want it to happen. So what I mean to say is you can become rich, powerful, and magnetic only when you undergo some kind of inner transformation. And this workshop is all about how to bring about inner transformation in your personality so that you will be able to live a life of your choice or live a life of your dreams. So translation, please.
Yes, sir. Can I do?
Yeah, yeah, please.
Yeah. Yeah. एक मिनट, हाँ. Okay. जीवन जीने के लिए जीवन जीने के लिए सभी महत्वपूर्ण संतुलन होने चाहिए. अपने हेल्थ यानी अपनी तंदुरुस्ती, अपनी वेल्थ पैसे और रिश्ते, ये वापस हमने जो फर्स्ट लेक्चर में जो सेशन में जो सुना था वही सर ने बोला है। तो वो सब संतुलित होना चाहिए। यह सभी शक्तियां हैं, यह तरंग है, कंपन आवृत्तियां हैं। यह सिर्फ पैसे यानी नोट नहीं है, पर कंपन आवृत्तियां हैं। सभी लोगों की कंपन आवृत्तियां अलग अलग प्रकार की होती है, जिससे यह तय होता है कि वह क्या आकर्षित करता है। आप पैसे को अनाकर्षित करने से कैसे रोक सकते हैं, यह वर्कशॉप यह सिखाता है। हम पैसे को या तो अनाकर्षित कर सकते हैं या आकर्षित कर सकते हैं। आपको अनाकर्षण से मुक्ति कैसे पाए यह सिखा सकते हैं। आप जिंदगी में कितने पैसे कमाना चाहते हैं और क्यों कमाना चाहते हैं। सिर्फ प्रेरणा ही एक सूत्र है जिससे आप पैसे कमाए जाते हैं। जैसे पारिवारिक सदस्य या सामाजिक जरूरियातों की वजह से ही हम पैसे कमाना ज्यादा और ज्यादा पैसे कमाना चाहते हैं। सही प्रकार का दिमाग यानी राइट काइंड ऑफ माइंडसेट, बिलीफ सिस्टम कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स यानी विशेषताओं की विश्वास प्रणाली, सही आकर्षित चरित्र होना चाहिए, तभी हम पैसे को आकर्षित कर सकते हैं। हमारे भीतर की आंतरिक शक्तियां लोचुंबकीय होने से हम ट्रांसफॉर्म कर सकते हैं, अपने आप को हम बदल सकते हैं। थैंक यू।
நாம் வாழ்வில் உயர்நிலையை அடைவதற்கு ஒரு குருவின் உதவியை நாடலாம். அதேபோல் நமக்கு கீழே உள்ளவர்களுக்கு உதவி செய்து அவர்களை மேல்நிலைக்கு கொண்டு வரலாம். நமக்கு ஆரோக்கியம், செல்வம், உறவு இவை மூன்றும் ஒன்றுக்கொன்று தொடர்புடையவை. ஒன்றில்லாமல் ஒன்றோடு இல்லை. ஒன்றுக்கொன்று தொடர்பு இருந்து அவை எல்லாம் சரிவட நடந்தால்தான் வாழ்க்கை வளமாக இருக்கும். வாழ்க்கை நாம் கண்கூடாக பார்ப்பது என்னவென்றால், வாழ்வில் 80% ஜனங்கள் ஏழ்மையில். நாம் ஒன்று பணத்தை ஈர்க்கிறோம் அல்லது தடை செய்கிறோம். நமக்கு தண்ட செலவு வரும்போது நாம் பண வரவை தடை செய்கிறோம் என்பதை உணர வேண்டும். அதாவது அனாவசியமான ஒரு மருத்துவ செலவோ அல்லது வேற எதற்காவது ஒரு பயனற்றதாக செலவு செய்யும் போதோ நாம் பண வரவை தடை செய்கிறோம் என்பதை உணர வேண்டும். மேலும் நம்முடைய இனிமையான குறிக்கோளை அடைவது, நாம் பணிக்கு செய்வது, அதாவது நாம் வேலை செய்வதற்கு திருப்தியும் மனநிறைவும் தான் முக்கியம். பண வரவு என்பது பை ப்ராடக்ட், அதாவது அது கிடைக்கும் இரண்டாவது பட்சமான ஒரு வெகுமதியாகும். வாழ்வில் நம்பிக்கை, அதாவது உறுதியான குறிக்கோள், மனோசக்தி இவைகளை பயன்படுத்தி படைப்பில் நமக்கு கிடைத்துள்ள ஆத்ம சக்தியை பயன்படுத்தி மாற்றி அமைத்து கொண்டால் வாழ்வில் எல்லா விதத்திலும் பணமாக இருந்தாலும் சரி, இவ்வுலக வாழ்க்கையா இருந்தாலும் சரி, மேலுலக வாழ்க்கையா இருந்தாலும் சரி, ஆன்மீக வாழ்க்கையா இருந்தாலும் சரி, நாம் கண்டிப்பாக முன்னேற முடியும். நன்றி. Thanks.
Thank you. So